Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sewing weights is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any sewer's arsenal, transforming the way you handle fabric and patterns, allowing for precise cuts and a professional finish without the fuss of pins. These handy tools are designed to hold your patterns and fabric securely in place, preventing shifting and ensuring accuracy, especially with delicate or slippery materials that pins can damage or distort. Whether you're a beginner looking to streamline your sewing process or a seasoned crafter seeking to elevate your projects, understanding the nuances of these weights can significantly impact the quality and ease of your sewing endeavors. Number 5. 94-piece Travel Sewing Kit. Discover the ultimate sewing kit, designed to handle all your everyday repairs and sewing needs, whether you're at home or on the go. It's packed with everything you require for any sewing task. Experience the ease of use with our thoughtfully designed kit. The high-quality thread is durable, the scissors cut precisely, and all tools are conveniently arranged for a smooth sewing experience, even for beginners. Take your sewing essentials anywhere with this compact and portable kit. Everything is securely stored in its case, ensuring nothing gets lost, making it perfect for your suitcase or backpack. Enjoy the creative process of sewing. Use it to mend clothes, create fun crafts with your children, or teach them valuable skills. It's perfect for quick fixes like replacing buttons or hemming. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This versatile sewing kit is ideal for almost anyone, from students and travelers to crafters and DIY enthusiasts. It's a practical present that's sure to be appreciated. What we like? This kit is perfect for anyone who needs a comprehensive solution for sewing emergencies or small projects. It's incredibly portable, making it ideal for travel or keeping in a car or desk drawer. If you're a beginner looking for an easy way to get started with sewing, or a traveler who wants to be prepared for any wardrobe malfunction, this is the kit for you. What people say. These weights are a great alternative to pins for holding fabric in place when cutting patterns. They are heavy enough to keep fabric from shifting, but not so heavy that they distort the fabric. The flat bottom design makes them stable and easy to stack. Number 4. Singer Heavy-Duty Machine Needles. Introducing our heavy-duty machine needles, designed to conquer challenging materials like denim and leather. They are perfect for all your standard sewing projects on thick fabrics. This set includes 5 assorted sizes to meet a variety of needs. You'll find the right needle for everything from medium-weight denim to heavyweight cotton and leather. Our needles are designed for universal compatibility. They work seamlessly with all quality sewing machines, including popular brands like Singer, Brother, and Kenmore. The assortment includes 2 size 116 needles for medium-weight denim, 2 size 110/18 for heavyweight cotton, and 1 size 90/14 for medium-weight leather. Keep your needles organized and protected with the included slim, convenient case. The sizes are clearly marked on the lid for easy identification. What we like? When you're working with tough materials like denim or leather, you need needles that can handle the job. These heavy-duty needles are designed for exactly that, offering durability and precision for thicker fabrics. If you're tackling a project that requires extra strength and resilience, or if you often work with challenging textiles, these needles will ensure your machine can handle the load. What people say. These weights are a great alternative to pins, especially for delicate fabrics that might get damaged by pinholes. The weights are heavy enough to hold fabric in place securely, preventing shifting during cutting and sewing. They are well made and have a nice, flat bottom that sits stably on the cutting mat or table. Number 3. TOOVREN Upgraded Magnetic Seam Guide. Experience the joy of effortless fabric edge folding. Its unique curling shape securely grips your fabric, making hemming projects easy and achieving flawless hems with precision every time. Installation is straightforward. Simply align it with your sewing machine's needle plate, insert your fabric, and start sewing. You'll achieve professional-looking results with ease. This attachment is incredibly versatile, perfect for home sewers and professionals alike. It's designed to fit most sewing machines that have a hole in the needle plate. Choose from 8 different specifications, ranging from 3mm to 10mm, to meet all your sewing needs. This gives you the flexibility to create impeccable hems that suit your unique style. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this sewing accessory ensures good fixation and long-lasting use. Enjoy clean, polished hems without the hassle of pre-folding or ironing. Elevate your sewing projects with a professional finish. This tool helps you add that polished touch effortlessly, making your creations stand out. What we like. Achieving perfect, rolled hems can be tricky, but this attachment makes it incredibly simple. Its unique design guides the fabric for you, ensuring a clean and professional finish every time. If you love creating polished garments or home decor and want to save time on tedious hemming, this tool will be a game changer for your sewing projects. What people say. These weights are perfect for holding fabric in place while cutting, eliminating the need for pins that can distort the fabric. The flat, substantial design of these weights makes them stable and easy to stack, providing a good amount of pressure without shifting. They are a great alternative to pins for sewing projects, especially for delicate fabrics or when you don't want to prick your fingers. Number 2. TOOVREN Universal Sewing Rolled Hemmer Foot 4 PCS. Introducing a versatile set of sewing tools designed to elevate your crafting experience. This collection includes a rolled hemmer foot in various sizes and a unique 2-in-1 magnetic seam guide. Our magnetic seam guide features a strong adsorption for easy, no installation use. It helps with blocking edges, positioning, and preventing curls, making your sewing more precise and practical. This handy tool also includes a built-in seam ripper, perfect for quick fixes and adjustments. It's suitable for a wide range of fabrics, from denim to silk, and for various sewing projects. Crafted from high-strength ABS resin, this accessory is built for durability and longevity. The secure magnetic attachment ensures stability and accuracy while you sew, even with intricate patterns. Designed to work with most popular sewing and quilting machine brands, it's a versatile addition to any sewing kit. Its compact size makes it easy to carry for on-the-go repairs and adjustments. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced seamstress, this tool helps increase efficiency and precision. It's ideal for piecing, decorative seams, and various other sewing tasks, ensuring accurately fitted seams every time. Thanks to its magnetic design, attaching and detaching this guide is a breeze on metal flatbeds. Save valuable sewing time with this essential, easy-to-use accessory. What we like. For sewers who value precision and convenience, this magnetic seam guide is a must-have. It attaches effortlessly to your machine, providing a stable guide for straight and accurate seams without any installation hassle. If you're looking to improve your sewing accuracy, reduce fabric curling, and have a handy seam ripper always within reach, this versatile accessory is an excellent choice. What people say. These weights are a great alternative to pins, especially for delicate fabrics that can be damaged by pinholes. The weights are heavy enough to hold fabric in place without shifting, making cutting much more accurate. They are well made and have a nice, flat bottom that prevents them from rolling off the cutting mat. Number 1. Dritz Pattern Weights 4 CT. Tired of using pins that can damage your fabric? These weights hold your pattern securely in place, ensuring a clean cut every time. From the most delicate silks to sturdy denims, these weights are designed to work on any fabric type. Enjoy a snag-free cutting experience. Using them couldn't be simpler. Just place them on your pattern and you're ready to cut. No complicated tools or steps needed. Each weight is substantial, filled with steel balls for a firm hold. They provide a sturdy grip that stays put, so you can cut with confidence. The thoughtful design ensures they won't damage your precious materials. They are also easy to reposition as you work, offering great convenience. These come in assorted colors, adding a touch of vibrancy to your sewing space. They are as practical as they are visually appealing. What we like. Say goodbye to pins and fabric damage with these heavy-duty pattern weights. They provide a secure hold on your patterns, allowing for precise cutting without any snags or holes, especially on delicate fabrics. If you work with fine materials, want to preserve your fabric, or simply prefer a faster, pin-free cutting experience, these weights offer a stable and reliable solution. What people say. These sewing weights are a great alternative to pins, especially for delicate fabrics that might get damaged by pinholes. The weights are well balanced and stay put, preventing fabric from shifting during cutting or sewing. They are heavy enough to hold patterns securely without being too cumbersome to handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.